Welcome back. I realize it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I picked up some tools here and I thought I would do a quick once over of these. I was missing a few things, needed a few things, and I thought it'd be a good excuse to buy another tool kit. This is just the cheap Mastercraft tool kit, the 500 piece, the big one. These are the tools of the Canadian home gamer as far as anything mechanical is concerned. These are not your fancy cream of the crop tools. They just get the job done. You get the standard 3 spark plug sockets and these adapters to go from big, small, vice versa. And then 3/4 inch extensions with the joint, the driver set. In 3/8 you actually get a nice set here. Half you get the 10 inch, 5 inch, 2 inch, and the wobble. 1/4 straight and flex, 3/8 straight and flex, 1/2 inch straight. Oh, I missed this one. There's the medium straight extension. And these, it's the typical, it actually feels fairly sturdy. These ratchets really aren't anything to write home about. They tend to pile up, but hang on to your receipts. There is warranty on this stuff. I'm sure it's not tool truck level warranty, but it's warranty nonetheless. 1/4 inch stuff you get deep 12 and 6 standard metric, shallow 12 and 6 standard metric. The sizes are all online if you're looking to accidentally knock these over when I was banging around on the bench. Set of ignition wrenches. These are pretty cheap, low quality stuff, but whatever, they're included. Now the wrench is kind of weird. They kind of dance around in the sizes, and one thing that I didn't notice until I was setting all this up is there are no non-ratcheting wrenches in the kit. So you are also going to need to pick up a set or two of standard wrenches on top of this, but it is 3/4 to 11/32, and it has the flex stubby straight of all your standards except for the 11/32, and then metric it gets a little weird because you've got 119, and then this set of 18s no flex, 17s no stubby. This is the only 16, full set of 15. No long straight of the 14, set of 13, set of 12, just this 11, and then a set of 10, and just the straight 9. So it's a little, jumps around a little bit there, but that's good enough, honestly, for the average home gamer. Just make sure you also get some standard wrenches without the ratcheting ends. And then you do get some nice of the Torx and this HW stuff in 1/4 inch drive, and then just this kind of random stuff, which we all have way too much of already. I didn't even bother taking that out of the bag. And then in 3/8, 21 mil down to 8, 1/4 up to 7/8, deep and shallow, 12-point deeps, and then in 1/2 inch drive. Then you have the 12-point shallows here, as well as these big ones. They go up to 1.25 inch and 32. And your 12.6s, shallow 6s, deep 6s. And then you get these guys all the way up to 19 here, and a 60 Torx, as well as a couple with the holes in them. All that specifics are online, and then there are also your Phillips flat and Robertson tip sockets here. Of course, these are just there to give you cuts, but anyway, that's what comes in the 500 piece kit. They're, like I said, cheap tools, but fairly reasonably priced. So I will put all of these in the tool cabinet and see what we got. Thanks for watching.